other things people are doing, drainage, and we hope to finish this
December this year. Where have you found the challenges? Because people
good road, we have a program, we have 18 months in which we are supposed to deliver this road. So far, what we have done is we have a bit of drainage work which is supposed to be subsurface, and we are doing drainage. This is we are building in a beautiful environment, and we have to make sure that whatever we do matches with what is existing. And we have widening the road. Some places we have problems with the right of way, because the houses, because the huge walls, and now we have gotten them, KCCA has given them to us, and we are doing it. So people may complain, but for us in the program, by now we're supposed to have done 42%, but we have done 41%. By any standard, that's very good.